let me talk about my own difficult position now, just now, and my plea to you to give me wisdom or advice. Now, having experienced so much, as having fought for so long to protect our land and our kingdom, I'm bewildered by the prospect of the Ngonyama Trust land being made vulnerable by our nation's king. I find it very difficult to continue serving under these circumstances. When my legacy is being destroyed and when my advice is not taken, I'm determined not to abandon my king, and I'm committed to serve His Majesty with the same dedication and loyalty and self-sacrifice with which I served his late father and his grandfather, His Majesty King Cyprian Bhekuzulu Solomon. But His Majesty is making it impossible for me to continue to serve under these circumstances. But how can I remain Prime Minister when my king refuses to protect the land of the Zulu kingdom, which I myself placed under his care? I have urged His Majesty to call an imbizo of the Zulu nation so that these matters can be heard by the nation. Whilst many have been imploring me to call an imbizo, I felt that all this information should be brought to Amakosi first, as stakeholders and as pillars of the kingdom and as administrators of the land. Moreover, I cannot appear as if I'm trying to dragoon the king to do what I'm suggesting. I can't dragoon the king. Whatever happens, I believe that we all owe a debt of gratitude to the Honorable Mr. Joram Gwema for serving with excellence for so many years under His Majesty King Goodwill Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu and under His Majesty King MisuZulu kaZwelithini. Mr. Ngwenya discharged his duty with the utmost dignity and professionalism. We are fortunate to have had him at the helm of the Ngonyama Transport, and we give him our deepest thanks. I cannot see that the Honorable Mr. Ngwenya deserves the treatment he has endured. I feel this pain, for I too feel I deserve straightforward and consistent and timeless communication from His Majesty the King on these crucial matters. Without this, I can't see how I can continue to do my duty as the King's Prime Minister. I was pained by irresponsible journalists in Bayet, the newspaper, Ilanga, and the Daily News, who published lies that I had already quit as the Prime Minister of the monarch and the nation, especially when the King is being challenged in court.